Hey everyone, this is Matt from Big Monster Brewing. This is a Annie the Brewmutt Adventure episode. We're headed out to Crooked Can Brewery in Winter Garden. I'll tell you more about the event coming up right after this. Annie. It's Pints,
Paws, and Peeps.
Peeps. And we're the Peeps, right?
We're the Peeps, yes.
We're not going to get Marshmallow Peeps? That's a shame. Okay. Well, it is actually in the barrel room, the Crooked Can Brewery barrel room. So we're on the opposite side of the brewery. I just went in there. Annie, you want to go see that? You want to go see the barrel room? You know, I got a PA Gumball Old Ale from the barrel room. It's actually incredibly good. I wish I'd started with this. I actually I didn't start with an empty glass. I started with a Citrus Kicker IPA, which is also good, but this is actually pretty outstanding. Annie, we're getting a popsicle soon. A popsicle. Are you excited? Oh, she licked her chops. I think she understood me. Here we go.
Alright,
The peanut butter banana.
Daddy, what are you drinking?
Oh, here we go. What do we got here? Oh, that's the ingredients. Okay, I'm sure they're made just for dogs, but it's a Popsipet. It's not a Popsicle. Popsipet. Peanut butter banana. No sugar added. All right, Annie, you ready? She is so what she's gonna be interested in about 2 seconds here.
Ready? Are you ready? Oh, there. Is it good? She has this rapturous look in her face. Like, oh my God, this is so good. There we go. There you go.
They have more dominance over it now, there, pup. And I think it's safe to say that Annie the Brewmutt had a good day. Did you have fun today? Would you rather me leave you alone so you can sleep? That makes sense. We had a good day. Always a good day at Crooked Can. Always a good day when you drink local. Thank you for hosting that event and giving Annie her popsicle. In fact, she had 2. Her doggy friend didn't want her, so she had 2. So 2 popsicles for Annie. She's got a full belly and she needs a nap. So I think I'm going to follow her lead and do that myself. But let me say thanks for watching. We got another Annie adventure coming up very soon. Annie the Brewmutt Adventure. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and click that bell too so you know when our next episodes are out, including Annie's Adventure. So until then, we will see you in the next episode.